This is how to install Lightroom presets into Lightroom CC version 2017. That's the older CC version, as well as the really old versions of Lightroom, such as Lightroom 6, Lightroom 5, Lightroom 4, etc. I've got an Explorer screen open. I've just downloaded the presets that I want to install. I need to unzip them, so I'm right-clicking and choosing Extract Files. And I'm going to extract them into the same location where they are now. It's in my downloads folder. I just double clicked on it, and here are all of the folders that I am going to install as presets. There are 15 of them, and let's just open up the first one so you can see what's inside. There are about 10 preset files, and you'll notice that these are LRtemplate files. These are the older preset file extensions. The newer ones are XMP. So I am going to copy all of the files, right-click, and go copy, and now I'm done with that. And in a Windows version of Lightroom, I click Edit and Preferences. On a Mac, you click Lightroom and Preferences. So now a new window opens up. I go to Presets, then click Show Lightroom Presets folder. Click on that. And open all of my files again. You'll notice that Lightroom is highlighted. So I'm going to double click on Lightroom, and then one more I need to double click on, and that is Develop Presets. And this is where I'm going to now paste all of those preset folders. So I paste that into there, and I am done. So I close this out, and I'm going to need to restart Lightroom so that I can see the presets. And once again, I'm using Lightroom Classic CC in a 2017 version. This is the older version of Lightroom Classic CC. If I had a 2018 version of Lightroom Classic CC, then we would have a different installation method. So now you can see over on the left, under presets, all of those preset folders are there. Let's open up the very first one, which is black and white. And there I've got 10 presets that are ready to go. Let's go with the second one, which is Cityscapes, and there's about 15 or so that are ready to be used. It's as easy as that. That is the installation.